How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to enable split screen mode on your Android device. Now, as you can see, I'm already on split screen mode. I have my calculator above and I have my browser down below. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. First things first, open an app. So I'm gonna open my browser. Now all I gotta do is to swipe smart bar right here and choose any app that I want to use, like here. Then after that, you see this blue line right here, or this blue bar. Just hold on to that and swipe it above or below, but I prefer it above. So there you have it. I am now on split screen. So that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find it helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!